18. Second one, the Carolina Hurricanes. Felix Victoria, spot for you, bonus box break 18. Third one, the Dallas Stars. Felix Victoria. Phyllis gets another one. Fourth, we the Vancouver Canucks and Jay Borgens. Spot for you, bonus box break 18. Fifth one, the San Jose Sharks and Linda Scout. Spot for you, Linda, bonus box break 18. And our sixth and final one will go to the Minnesota Wild. And that is J-Dubs. So congrats, those 6 team owners. Spots, bonus box break 18. Alright, now for our spell and win letters. So what I will do is I'll take out 10 letters, line them up, and then we'll pick 10 teams. So the first letter will be the letter N. Second letter, got a letter R. Third letter, T. Fourth letter, got a letter C. We got G. Another G. Letter R. 3 more. Letter F. Letter J. And we end with a T. So those are the 10 letters, and they will go the following. So starting with the N, that will go to Vancouver, letter R. Detroit, letter T, Florida. Letter C, Edmonton. The G, the Sabres. Our second G. Anaheim. The R. Columbus. Letter F. The New York Islanders. Letter J. Philadelphia. And the final one, T, goes to the Calgary Flames. So they are being assigned the following. So the N went to Vancouver, Jay Borgens. Detroit got the letter R, that is Crow. Florida, letter T, also Crow. The letter C goes to Edmonton, which is Bummer Boy. Buffalo, Crow, also got G. Anaheim got the letter G, that's Bummer Boy. Columbus, DJ Null's mom, got the letter R. The Islanders, J-Dubs, got the letter F. Philadelphia, DJ Null's mom, the letter J. And to round it out, the letter T went to Calgary and Bummer Boy. So there you have it, guys. Alright. Just going to mark those down, and then we'll play our 2 rounds of Deal or No Deal. Yeah, I'll get caught up on all the trades on the spell and win side. I'll try to do them this afternoon. I mean this evening. Alright, Deal or No Deal. So most of you know how Deal or No Deal works. So we got our Deal or No Deal wall up here to the right. So you got tins from 1 to 20. If you choose number 6, it's the only one that doesn't have the number. We will choose one participant if they're watching live. We will choose 3 numbers from 1 to 20. If you're not live, we'll roll the die for you, whatever tin you get. Whatever number you get, that's the tin we'll open up. So we are going to play 2 rounds of Deal or No Deal tonight. So keep in mind, whatever 3 numbers get selected the first round, you won't be able to choose them the second round. So playing Deal or No Deal will be the Edmonton Oilers. And that's Jack Bummerboy. 1, 11, 13. Nice and quick. Of course, you choose 1, which is at the very top there. $11. And we said 13. All right. So Deal or No Deal for Bummer Boy, first round. We're doing 2 rounds of Deal or No Deal, so whoever gets chosen next, make sure 1, 11, 13 you will not be able to choose. So in tin number 1 for Bummer Boy. Free spot in my next hit draft. So you can take that jack or pass and move on to tin number 11. And he passes. In number 11. Meh, meh, meh. It's the empty box. I'm assuming you're passing. Or do you want the empty box? An easy pass. So in 13 for Jack will be Pair of Artifacts rookies. Devontae Smith-Pelly, Roman Horak. Those are coming your way. Those were the redemptions from 2 years ago. Or last year. Last year's rookie. So congrats, Jack. Alright, our second round of Deal or No Deal. Still some phenomenal prizes in these tins. So round 2, Deal or No Deal. The Winnipeg Jets. And Winnipeg is Crow. Is Crow watching live? And Crow is not watching live, so we will roll the die for him. Number he gets between 1 and 20. If we hit one that has already been opened, we'll just re-roll. If we get anything over 20, we'll re-roll as well. So it lands on a 6. So a 6 is our blank one up there. So I'll grab that for Crow. So Crow, you got the blank number 6. So in tin number 6 for Crow for Deal or No Deal, a pair of authentic fabrics and Evander Kane and Zach Parise. So congrats, Crow. Alright guys, so that ends it for tonight. So thanks again for participating in the auction. And make sure to jump on the bins right now if there's anything available. Still 2 artifacts teams left. Get those sold, we can post another one. And also guys, if you guys are interested, we will be doing I'll be setting up a mega break shortly. So if there's any specific products you guys want in that, please let me know. So thanks a lot and enjoy the rest of your evening.